Hi, this is GBPCAD and today it's Sunday, 29th of November 2020. I'm Sophia S and this is a technical analysis study on the pair using Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, Bollinger Bands, fractals and stochastics. On the monthly time frame, we see that stochastics show that an upward cycle is still in progress. We didn't have its completion, but this is a paradox compared to the picture on weekly, where the downward cycle is not over yet, is not completed yet. It's still on. So the physiology of metallaxis of transformation of the leading KUMO says that if the price wants to go up and complete this upward range, the leading KUMO must turn flat and bearish, and then price must go up. For this reason, price has to fall, turn it into flat and bearish, and then continue upwards and make it bullish again and lift it up in the air, which means that we should expect another minor fall, because it is easy for this very small, very tiny bullish KUMO to be cancelled, and we will see exactly what kind of fall we should expect from smaller time frames. Another confirmation that the price wants to go up here, apart from the fact that it wants to complete this bullish range that started down here, is that we had a triple bullish cross at this point where price was here. So it definitely wants to continue upwards, and we will see. This spike here does not negate bodies of candlesticks below the lower Bollinger Band, because we didn't have just spikes here, we had bodies. So we need to have a body closing above the upper Bollinger Band in order to cancel this formation here. So this is, in a few words, unreal. Let's go to weekly. On weekly time frame, it shows, we see that price wants to go down, but the leading KUMO here is flat and bearish, so it has to negate it first to make it flat and bullish and then fall. Let's see on daily. I will place a horizontal level here on weekly, where price should be expected to fall. So 370 pips down to 1.6919, 69.15 level, at the level of the edge of the lower Bollinger Band on weekly, but on the condition that the leading KUMO will become flat and bullish first. Can it be bent on price's downward move? It is relatively thin and it may be bent as well, but it remains to be seen if the price will be able to bend it or will move upwards. Let's see let's go closer to have a closer look in smaller time frames. Daily. Median Bollinger Band moving upwards. There is a flattened bearish KUMO below the price, which represents very strong support. A correction to the median Bollinger Band happened already. Price is moving inside bullish scissors between Tenkan-sen, Kijun-sen. Theoretically, it is not easy to break through the KUMO and reach this level now. It may start consolidating while it is moving above bearish KUMO and then fall after a few days. But we will see. Let's have a look again at H4. On H4, we had this bearish KUMO breakout, which was not validated by Chikou span. The leading KUMO turned into flat and bearish, and there are big spikes below the bodies of the last candlesticks. The possibilities for the price to continue the fall and to reverse and start going up, no matter if there is bullish KUMO above it, which represents resistance, are 50-50, are shared. Let's see what is going on H1. Okay, here we have the time frame, the critical time frame, which is also an ideal entry time frame for a trade. So as soon as a strong bullish candlestick closes above Kijun-sen plateau on H1 at the level of 1.7337, and the next one is bullish, that's 56 pips higher, then the price will definitely make a bullish KUMO breakout on H1, and that means the downward move on H4, the bearish picture will turn into bullish. Let's see the picture on daily. So price will go even higher on daily, and this can be explained by the fact that there is bearish KUMO below the price. How high may it go? Possibly at the edge of the upper Bollinger Band on weekly, in order to negate this flat and bearish KUMO on weekly first. Can it go even higher? Yes, it can. It can go even higher below the curve of the upper Bollinger Band on weekly. So we have the levels 1.7531 and 1.7637, and we got this hint from the smaller time frames. So yes, there is a possibility for the price to go down, but smaller time frames tell a different story right now. They tell a different story. If on H1 we have this bullish reversal, then price will go quite higher. We are talking about a total move of 350 plus pips till the ultimate level. And what about the downward move? Again, H1 is a time frame which will give us, which will let us know if that will happen. If on H1, instead of having a bullish candlestick closing at the level of 1.7337, and the next one being bullish. If we have a spike, if we have a swing high above the median Bollinger Band without bodies of candlesticks closing at that level, and then the price falls below Tenkan-sen, the red line of Ichimoku, and Tenkan-sen is sloping downwards, and the leading KUMO has a downward inclination, then there will be a continuation of the fall, and the price will reach the 1.6915 level. And let me see if there are intermediate levels. There will possibly be intermediate levels. One is the level of the lower Bollinger Band on daily, and I will not place any other. So 1.7056 is the first level the price will hit on its way down if the picture becomes clearly bearish on H1, and the next level will be 1.6915. A total move of 360 pips from the current price level. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and happy pips.